everyone, I hope you all are well. So today's video is going to be a one brand tutorial with Eid forever around the corner, and the brand is no other, the one and only Bonanza Satrangi's beauty line Top Face. It is an esteemed brand, well known, well established, offering high quality makeup products and readily available in the market. Guys, I'm very fond of this beauty line and simply love the confidence wearing their makeup gives me. So I'm very excited to be creating an Eid look for you guys using all their products. I hope you guys like it and enjoy watching it. This is the amazing collection by Top Face. The quality and the packaging is wonderful and they have such an extensive range to choose from. So let's get glammed up with these products. To prepare my skin, I'm using this mineral sensitive primer Natural Radiance, which will help create a smooth, flawless, glowy canvas for the makeup application. Top Face has primers for different skin concerns, so आप इनका pore minimizing, smooth and protect या फिर primer oil use कर सकते हैं instead of the radiant one. Moving on, I'm now using this liquid highlighter which comes in 3 beautiful shades. मैं इसको अपनी foundation से पहले apply कर रही हूँ just on the high points of my face to make my complexion radiant and lifted. For the foundation, I'm using the Skin Twin Cover Foundation, which has a silky satin finish that is right in between dewy and matte. इस foundation की formulation बहुत amazing है जो protect करेगा आपके moisture balance को all day long. To conceal and brighten up certain areas of my face, I'm using the Mineral Sensitive 3-in-1 Concealer, which can be used as a contour, highlighter, foundation, and it's hydrating enough. इसको मैं अपनी under eyes लगा रही हूँ to conceal and correct, and in the center of my face so that मेरा face brightened up और lifted लगे. अपने फेस को थोड़ा डिफाइन करने के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ ये स्टिक कॉन्टूर अंडर द चीक बोन्स, साइड्स ऑफ द नोज, द जॉ लाइन एंड द टेम्पल्स. दिस क्रीमी formula melts into the skin, which will not give you any harsh lines, and the stick will give you a naturally contoured finish. Now to further illuminate my face, I'm using this highlighter stick which comes in 3 wonderful shades. ये highlighter stick एक creamy formula है जिसकी बहुत staying power है and it's buildable and blendable. Moving on to the eyes, I'm first applying this long-wearing creamy eyeshadow as a base, which is strongly pigmented and not drying due to its formulation, and it's waterproof as well. Now I'm adding this Baked Choice Rich Touch highlighter on top of the creamy base to intensify it. Top Face offers 4 beautiful colors of this highlighter to choose from. Taking this quartet eyeshadow palette and mixing 2 different shades of brown and applying it in my crease area. जो मैं palette use कर रही हूँ इसमें neutral colors हैं, although Top Face के और भी eyeshadow palettes हैं in different colors. Taking a different palette from their quartet collection and adding black shade to the outer corners of my eyes to enhance my eye makeup for a prominent and defined look. इन palettes के colors long lasting हैं और ये काफ़ी pigmented भी हैं. Always remember the key to a flawless, beautiful makeup look is blending, applying, and some more blending. Taking this pearly white shade from the same palette to highlight my brow bone and brighten up the inner corners. अपनी eyes को further define करने के लिए I'm applying this gel liner with a small liner brush जो इस product के साथ आता है. It's a smudge proof, strongly pigmented and long wearing eyeliner और जिसका creamy texture है वो product application को ज़्यादा आसान करता है. With this velvet smoky eyes pencil, I'm tight lining to create a fuller look and filling in the waterline to add depth to the eye. This pencil glides on smoothly. Using this eyebrow gel now to shape up the brows and add fullness. ये एक waterproof formula है और इसका brush packaging में इसके साथ आता है. To add thickness and volume to my lashes, I'm applying multiple coats of this Top Face Legendary Mascara, which is definitely one of my favorite products from their product range. Next, I'm applying loose powder mainly in the center of my face to keep the makeup in place and absorb the extra oil, and under the eyes to set and avoid creasing. इस powder का texture बहुत lightweight है और इसकी finish बिल्कुल cakey या heavy नहीं आती. Taking this powder contour from Top Face Contour and Highlighter palette and softly going over the creamy contour, setting it and giving the face structure. Mixing these 2 blushes together, Twin Blush On and Baked Choice Rich Blusher, I'm applying this on my cheeks and a bit on the nose. I just love how आप इन दोनों blushes को कितना sheer और dark कर सकते हैं. Highlighting my face with this Baked Choice Rich Touch highlighter to achieve an incredible glow. ये product बहुत smoothly glide on करता है on the face and instantly features और complexion को enhance करता है. Applying the same highlighter to the lower lash line towards the inner corners to make them pop. So Top Face has a variety of liquid lip paints and matte and creamy lipsticks. I'm applying a liquid lip paint first and will add a matte lipstick on top to create my perfect color. To finish off, I'll be wearing a fresh and floral fragrance called Flower Fields packed in this pretty eye-catching box from Bonanza Satrangi's private collection. This beautiful outfit that I'm wearing is from Bonanza Satrangi's Eid collection and I created a look to complement this outfit. So guys, this was my Eid look with Top Face. I absolutely loved using all their products and I'm so impressed with their quality and the extensive product range they offer. It is such an amazing addition to our local beauty industry and I highly recommend them to everyone. Check out their official page or their website to place your orders and look beautiful with Top Face.